Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Nandu's World, and today I got my friends with me again and
Today we are going to the ocean.
guys, as the first starting of the video, we are started traveling and you can see their car is ahead of us. So we gotta catch up somehow. Okay guys, and I see so far mountains and trees and more mountains and something new, like look at those houses on the mountain or in the mountain. I don't know which to choose. And those electric thingies, I don't know what. There was a sign and we just missed it. Okay, going there and going there. Oh, what is it called? A bulldozer? No, a bulldozer. Yeah, a bulldozer. And we are going and we see more mountains and more trees and more mountains. This is getting boring. Oh, I just missed a sign, but you will just see it. It says danger zone or something. And danger zone. Hey guys, you see those mountains up there? That's where we are going. And remember the place we are going, Jebel Shams. And its scientific name or something, it's known also as Mountain of Sun. And we are still traveling to it. And it looks like a highway, and Shafak doesn't like heights. That's a secret. Don't tell him. That's just a secret. Okay guys, we are still traveling and we are still traveling. Okay guys, we are getting top and Shafak is getting a seasick. I mean a road sick or something like that. A road sick. Oops, I said it loud, didn't I? Sorry. Okay, now we will go up there. I can't stop laughing of these things. Okay guys, you see those parts? It's a crack or something down. Okay guys, I see houses down there. If you can see it, no, right? I see them, but you see a little roof, right? And there's a house made of clay or something. Well, and see you guys, we made it to the top finally, and I'm gonna try echo. La la Leo! Guys, this is the best day of my life, and look at that massive echo! Echo? It's not coming, echo. Well, I can see the sight from here, and Shafan is already the street. Okay, guys, we are in the top. La la Leo! Yeah! La la Leo! La la Leo! La la Leo! La la Leo! Okay, guys, no sound echo, but I do find a llama out there. Is it a llama? Let's check it out. You can see there's a chaff for sheep, and I think they're mountain sheep. Very good at mountain climbing. Mountain climber sheep. That's just a joke. Okay guys, we are going to herd them to their home. Not herd because we don't want them to herd us or something like that. So we're going to... Wait, where's that one going? Hey! You do know? Oh yeah, I almost forgot. They can be mountain climbers too. Okay, mountain climber sheep. Oh, one more. And one has a baby. Cool. It's a little grown up, right? Oh, another one. It's a little one. Very tiny. Cute. And how many babies do they have? Look at those mountains. And I see a road and cars. That's a car. Cars and roads. Where did we come there? That location. That's the high peaks, right? And now we will... I see some rocks. Two little cute babies. Cute. They are very shy. Very, very shy. Like ordinary sheep. But they have those special legs. I'll tell you about them in our learning lesson. We haven't been shooting learning lessons so far. We'll do it. Oh, they're still going there. What a shame. Well, let's look at the shack. Is there? Okay, let's just look at the shack. Hey guys, we are still traveling to the high cliffs. That's where we have to go. Guys, so Jebel Shams is located in northeastern of Oman, and it is the highest cliffs of the country, and it can be very useful and famous for sightseeing, as you can see already, because you've seen a lot of things and it's sighty. I'm not sure you've seen it. Okay, guys, we are heading down a dusty road, very dusty. So I think all the way we see clear road, right? It's always been like this. They would make it the road much longer, but there's still more work. Next time we come here, I think it'll be finished or something. I don't know. So the car almost hit us. I don't know. Okay, guys, there's one sign. Can I read it before it? We are not going that way, right? Okay, there's one black sign now. All sort of signs, and it was one cave or something. One sign. Just miss that higher ground or something. Guys, we are still in the dusty road, and cars should be careful because when they come, there is no fence there, as you can see, and they'll trip over. And you see that at Mount Peak, and it's shaped like a pig. Oink, oink. That's a pig. And there's more signs over here. Lots of signs. And we're still traveling to Jebel Shams. I know we'll get there soon. Do we? Okay, guys. I think we'll get there soon. Maybe. I just sound like a voice man. Okay. I was just speaking. Okay, guys. You see those rocks? They shape like animals or peoples. And here also they should careful. And when the rain comes, it'll be a swoosh, like that or something like that. Okay. And there's no fence, but there's a sign, danger zone or something. Ooh, fancy, a car. Oh, that was a jeep. And another car, Toyota. Okay, guys, we are still on the dusty roads path. Actually, I don't know where Jebel Shams is. I got a fever or something. Okay, guys, I don't know where it is, so just kidding. Where it is? Okay, guys. He didn't give me an answer because I decided. Okay, and let's go.
is feeling now?
Good.
Is cold?
Yes. It is good. Okay, guys, we have reached the top of the peak. Well, I think there's more, but we have reached the top of the peak, and they are taking photos. Oh, ladies. Yeah. Oh, we'll take photos now. Pose time. Okay, is it a good pose? Do you think? Is it correct? Do you think so? I think it's good. Okay. And I slide
So
down.
guys,
Can I go there? From here. Can we go there? Please! The sky is sky. I'm running. I gotta run. Always run! Just kidding. It's a monster train. Guys, there's a lot of depth here. And it's very deep. Meaning, okay guys, there is some houses there. And zoom into it. Okay guys. There's a cell tower we just missed, and it's a rocky field. Zoom in, I tell you. Zoom in. And there's houses there too. Everywhere we look, we see houses. Okay, guys, the sky, always the sky. Let's put it high. The rocky field's amazing. Let's pause. Good pose, right? Is that good to me? Okay. Good peak. It's lots of depth and some grasses and zoom in. Okay, guys, there is many things like grass over there and a rocky field and me with cool shades. Good pose. Okay, guys. The fence is lucky. We are lucky with the fence. And good pose again. Oh, I'll do it. Okay, I'll get away. I won't. Be careful. Be very careful. That's why I say dramatic. But whatever. There's so much depth. Oh, there's one deeper hole that leads like that to the edge. I mean, the bottom of the sea, maybe? No way. I don't know. Okay. Get a pose. Okay, correct pose. Okay, guys, it's so much depth. And that rock shaped like an alligator or something. Zoom in that. Ugh. Zoom in, correct. Houses. I see houses. Do you? Okay, guys, there's a rocky field. See puffins out here? We'll do a review about puffin. Okay, guys, we're going to the edge. And mom keeps shouting. Okay, guys, we got a lot of depth and it's still shaped like a crocodile or an alligator or a dragon. Okay, good pose. This is a good pose. Never say that pose is good. It's not good with my shades. Cool shades. I tell you, shade. Is there a sunburn? I don't get sunburned. I hate sunburn. Okay, guys, we'll hop to another rock and 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 another rock. I'm getting so dizzy that I can turn. Okay, guys, we're going to the edge again and mom's still keeping shouting. Don't tell her I said that. Okay. Okay, guys, what is she doing? Hopping and hopping. We got some green fresh grass. It's a bush, a very thick bush. Is it thorny? I think not. I mean, maybe it's delicious for. Okay, guys, what bush is this?
I don't know. What's a bush like that?
Okay, guys, see this big bushy, and I like it, and she don't like it. This rock is very much Over there and there. Everywhere I look is rocks. So much rocks. 10,100 millions. I don't want to count how many there are. But I'm sure that you like it. And let's keep on. And I'm the king of every rock. I'm the rock king. I'm a superhero. Is there a good pose? Not there. Another? Like that? No. Oh, I'll touch the sky. Can I hold the sky? I'll hold the sky. There's a cell tower behind me. Okay, I'll explain about cell towers later. Get it, correct. Why are you turning there? Never mind. There's more bushes around there. Bushes. I am allergic to them. And that one, and there's so much trees down there. Are they trees? And boom. That's a very deep crack, isn't it? And it's a little hard to see with all that bright. And that rock behind me looks like a ball. Especially smashing, smash. A smash cake. I hate smash cakes. They're not tasty at all. Ooh, deeper. I'm allergic to bushes. Did you hear me? I hate it. Lots of rocks, and lot of rock. And I gotta walk slowly every moment like that. Walk slowly. And walk faster. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, dudes. Let's get away from it. Ooh, lots of rocks. Rocks. Those trees and everything. What is that tree? I just said tree, right? I mean, volume trees. Okay, guys, that tree is what? A blackberry? Oh, blackberry? No. It's more bushy and more prickly and more blackberry. No, that's what I can say. It's prickly and old from the hot sun, as you see that. Okay, guys, there's still bushes. I hate bushes. I'm allergic to bushes. And stop shouting! Who was shouting? Me or mom? Or dad? Or Shafa or Fatima or their kids and more like that. It was just me shouting, right? Yeah. I got the trick. Okay, guys, this tree is larger than me. But there's more trees larger than anything. Okay, thumbs up. Okay, where is he going now? Dun. Then where? Now where? Go walking, walkie. And then stop walking. That's all you can say. And walking. Right and forward, right and left. It's no matter where you next, left, next. Get it rhyming or it is next. Okay. Now we're a photo. Oh, great. Now what? Where would he take a photo? Correct place. Hey, go there. Okay. I'll stand. Okay, next. Where we'll go? Where would we go? There. Okay, let's go. Wait. Let's take a photo first. Okay, now. Where should we move? Is this good? Okay. There. Fine. Here will be good? No. There? No. There? Here? No? Yes. Now to that. Not there. What are you talking? It's crazy. I can't understand anything. Where is she going? Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Okay. Okay, guys, there's more bushes and let's go going. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video and I hope you like this and like and thumbs up and subscribe. And the next episode of the review of the high cliffs. Dun dun dun. So bye.